favorite cocktail is the margarita. So on that note, I found this funny margarita trend. It's an old trend, really old. But for some reason I found it and I just decided I'm gonna try my own. It's a Breaking Bad Margarita. We're breaking in the new bar. Let's do a Breaking Bad cocktail. Mom jokes, and I'm not a parent. Nope. Alrighty. So the first thing you're gonna need for a margarita is tequila. This is the last bit of tequila I have, so that's what we're using. I'm going to do 2 ounces. One. There's 2 ounces left, yeah. 2. Okay. And I don't like my margaritas when they're not a fruity one, really sugary or sweet or anything like that. So we're gonna do it as close as how I do my just regular margaritas. This is 2 ounces of fresh lime juice. I'm just gonna do, because I like a little sour, I'm in that mood right now, a 1/2 of an ounce of sweet and sour mix, homemade sweet and sour mix. Why not? I have this orange bitters from Hella Bitters, love this. So let's just do 2. 1, 2. They're tiny. 3. Magic of 3. Alrighty. And typically I wouldn't do much else, but since it's Breaking Bad, we gotta put in something blue. You gotta put in something blue. If you don't know why you need something blue, go watch the show. That's the trend I'm seeing. They're blue margaritas. I don't want to put in too much because I typically don't use that much of my margaritas, but let's try 1/2 ounce. Let's see how blue we get it. Oh. Okay. It's pretty blue. I think it's more green. What do you think? I think it's more green. See it in the light. Oh no, let's see. Is it more green? I might need to put in a little more. All right, so let's put in a little more. Let's do 1/2 of a 1/2. Oh, okay, that was 3/4 of a 1/2. Okay. That's blue. I think that's blue. We can always add a floater on top, or my special ingredient, which is not mine. It's part of the trend I found, but the special ingredient then. Alrighty, that's gonna be last. What we're gonna do now is add, let me bring the ice over here. Do my funny thing of adding the ice afterwards. Add some ice and shake. Okay. I think it's ready. Yep, it's ready. Alrighty. Here we go. Ooh, that's nice and blue. Oh, I made a big one. Whoop! All right, now the fun. Alrighty. Now, disclaimer, if you're having a hard day, someone pissed you off, something's bothering you, and you need to take some like aggression out, this is the drink for you. Because our special ingredient is going to be blue ice. We're gonna chop this up into little meth cubes. Yay! Knife! Aggression! Out on a margarita. Yeah. A little morbid, but that's okay. Let me move my chair up. Morbid never hurt anybody. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the knife, and from what I saw, they just hacked at it. Oh God, protect me. Okay, I use the blue curaçao as the dye in here. It's a little soft. Okay, it's not breaking. Oh, I can go like this. Okay. Oh, it's melting a little. Oh, there we go. We got a piece. Ah! Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay. That's too full. Oh no. I have to drink some to make room. Oh no. Is that enough room? Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Oh, that's cool. I'm putting another one. Wait, I need a big one. Oh, don't. Oh, look at that. Ah! That is so cool. That is so cool. Look at that. Come on. Don't you think that's a cute little homage to the show? Do a little Breaking Bad marathon. What else are we doing? Have some of these. Breaking Bad Margarita. Lift your mood. Why not? Come on. Go watch Aaron Paul be sexy. Come on. I've worked with him on set before. He's a dream. Oh, maybe that's another story for another time later. Not on Breaking Bad, on another show. But anyways, go watch Breaking Bad. Go watch my boo Aaron Paul with some of these Breaking Bad margaritas. Let me see if I can lift it. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I need a straw. Oh, there we go. That's so pretty. Look at that. Ah, to Mr. White. Cheers.